Hi, humble friends. This is Holly from Hot Humble Pie. I am going shopping today at Dollar General for the first time in my life. I am so excited because I have heard amazing things and I've heard you can find some good deals. So let's go check it out. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you click that button. Right when you walk in, you see this display here with higher end decor, and I see some milk cans. That is such cute decor, and it's only $5. Guys, I just bought one that's about the same size from Walmart for $11.32, so that is definitely a good deal. They also have these farmhouse trucks that we all know and love, and this one is a little dented. It's cheaper metal, but it's only $10. For the look, you could always paint it, dress it up a little bit, and if you go into Hobby Lobby, those are $35 and up. And of course you get this one here. They do have a higher end one. It's thicker metal, but it is $18, but still, and I'm shocked I didn't realize in Dollar General they carry home decor that is comparable to Hobby Lobby in quality. It's still a great deal. So they've got the garden fences just like Dollar Tree, except they're $3, but they're a different color. So if you're after a different color, you can hit that spot. And they've also got that fence that's a little different for $3. So if you want a different look, you can get it there. But here's a great deal. Canning jars, mason jars, 12 of them for $10. That's cheaper than Walmart as well, and definitely cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And they are great for crafts, and they're great for canning if you actually use them for their purpose. They also carry the solar lights for $1 that Dollar Tree carries. Now, I'm not in a very big Dollar General right now. This is kind of a smaller one. I just pulled over. It was pouring rain that day, but look what I found. These have not arrived to my Dollar Trees yet. I've never seen these before. These are new for me. I think they're absolutely gorgeous for $1. They have all beautiful flower prints, and they would be beautiful accents in your garden. Checking out the Easter section now. I definitely love these eggs. They are velvety and smooth, and for DIYs, they are much nicer for $1. I also noticed that they're foam eggs. They don't show the seam where they're cut in half and put together in a factory. And if you watch my channel, you know I paint a lot of those foam eggs. I love the way the glitter looks. It kind of makes it look like cement or concrete, except I never like the lines that kind of show up occasionally. So for me, if they're $1, they're a much better deal for DIYs. Here's the candy section. They have a great choice of candies and toys for your kids and grandkids. I saw these little bunnies here and I picked them up just to see what the quality was. They were kind of heavy, like a beanbag, like a Beanie Baby. And I know Dollar Tree also gets cute little stuffed animals, but I thought these were kind of, when I picked them up, they felt better quality a little bit. So that's something to consider if you're going to give them as a gift in an Easter basket. And I'm just showing you all these beautiful Easter treats and candies because they are a great deal coming in at $1. They also have these at the Dollar Tree, but I thought the choices here were more, and of course, I think they look a little more high-end for $1. They have beautiful coastal decor if you're into coastal decor, and some beautiful risers and trays. I found this riser at the bottom. Look how thick it is. That's only $8 and it's pretty big. Now I thought that may be a little bit higher price because it was kind of plain. I thought maybe $6 was more fair, but this tray here is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That's $10 and that's spot on. That's a good price for that tray with the wooden bead handles. I thought they priced that great. This aisle has some beautiful seasonal decor for seasons that are coming up. This sign right here is definitely thicker than the Dollar Tree. And it has a shell on it, so I turned it over, $2. These are $2, but they're definitely thicker. They have little accents on like the shell and the anchor, and you can see it. It's just better quality for a little bit more. So you're talking the difference between $1.25 and $2, definitely worth buying. Now here's a candlestick I found, and I was excited because we can use these for tiered trays, we can use them for different decor, but I was a little disappointed on the price. I'm showing you it is a taller candlestick, but I thought this would come in better at $8, and the smaller candlestick that I found for $8, it would come in better at $6, but who am I? I don't work for Dollar General. And here is a great deal. This is good. $10. We all see those. Those are pretty large in real life, and we all have seen those probably in Hobby Lobby, Walmart. They are definitely never coming in at $10, and they are great for hiding your laundry soap, your dryer sheets, and just adding some decor to your laundry room. That was a great find. Here are the dishes. They've got some beautiful prints, very unique, and their florals look nicer too. But again, $8. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed for the size and the amount that you get. I thought that was a bit overpriced. $6 better. And ironically, that sign, which is absolutely beautiful, thick, heavy, came in at $6. I turned that around twice off camera just to make sure the price wasn't upside down, because I thought maybe it was $9, but I thought the wreath should have been switched with the sign. The wreath should be $6, the sign should be $8, but if you find that sign, grab it. That is a fantastic Hobby Lobby quality sign for your kitchen. They also have beautiful pot holders and towels with a whole choice of different patterns and looks. Look at that. Those are different herbs. Market Fresh local little sign there with a truck. You've got the butterflies. Just all in all, super cute for $1. Way cuter than what you find at the Dollar Tree. Look at the mitts. For those of you that shop at the Dollar Tree, I don't even think I need to tell you that these are just coming in at a little, you know, the look is nicer than Dollar Tree for the same, well, less. I keep forgetting Dollar Tree is now $1.25. So they've got to up their game here, because this is really beautiful. Look at the towels. I wished those towels were in linen, because you could do DIYs with them. Then they'd be more like fabric. Unfortunately, they're in a terry type material, terry cloth, but they're still a great find if you're looking for a towel. And I'm showing you those placemats. They have a great selection. Look what I found here. I've never seen this one before. I think that is so cute. In fact, Holly freaked out so much on the placemats, I ended up buying one of each, and I'm going to do some DIYs. I've got some great ideas for these, and they even sell matching coasters. Check it out, you guys. Look at that. Fantastic find for $1. Here's their section where they're actually, it looks like Hobby Lobby or Michael's when you walk in. So this is a place where you can get some real good side-by-side comparisons. So again, $10, and I was shocked. And I put it back because I was showing all of my friends here on YouTube, and I thought, oh, heck with that. I'm taking that. That's going home with me. That was so cute. And for $10, again, great place to keep your papers or your stuff you don't want on the counter. Just a super cute decor piece. This sign's cute. Again, I think it's a little overpriced at $10. These signs, I expected them to be $5, and they are. When I flip it around, they're $5. They're heavier and bigger than the little cows and pigs that they carried one year. I don't know if you guys remember that. I did some DIYs with them a year ago or a year and a half ago, and those were $1. So these are bigger. I was kind of iffy. They're on the edge of being priced right. I feel like $3 would have been maybe it's kind of in between. It's more like a $4 item to me, but again, my opinion. They have gorgeous lanterns there, by the way. Really nice lanterns for $12. That's a very good price for that item, because I was just in Hobby Lobby pricing lanterns, and they were coming in at a lot more than $12. So they have a light wood one and a dark wood one. They have the beautiful letters there. Look at that have the wooden beads in there. They have these clocks, and these clocks also shocked me, the price. For $10, I did not expect that, because they're kind of vintage looking, and usually those run $15 and up. So I was really happy about that. There's a little sign for $3, and here's a little cute metal piece for maybe your kitchen window or a plant for $9. I'm just showing you all of the beautiful decor here, and the baskets. Oh my gosh, I did not expect to see such high-end basket decor, and they're running about $14 for what you get. For the size, that is a fantastic deal. And what I really loved were these metal baskets, because these are the ones that are almost impossible to dupe, because metalworks is a craft in of itself. And so great prices for that box there. I mean, we can always use twine and raffia and different things to kind of dupe the other baskets, but for the metal baskets, that was a great find. And here is that beautiful arch window that everybody wants to get, $25. Again, at Michael's, I just priced this. I believe the one I picked up was way more than $25. So the arch window, Steal at $25, definitely. So I'm showing you a better view of the baskets just so you can see what I was talking about. Isn't that shocking? They're big. I found the little kitchen area behind me here. Here's a little rolling pin for $5. I do end up grabbing this to take home. And there's this cute little piggy platter, which I expected this to come in at $8, and I was actually shocked that it came in at $5 because it's very heavy to hold. I don't know if you noticed, but my hand's kind of shaking. It's good quality. Here's a little milk jug. Now I'm just thinking this would be so cute for 3-tiered tray decor. It's $3. Fair price. Not great, not bad, just fair. And for those of you into bee decor, totally cute, who isn't? But there is this super cute little picture here, Be Sweet, coming in at $8. I also found this totally cute measuring cup. I love everything about this. The wording, the fact that there's measurements on the inside, and the dual functionality that you can put both dry and wet ingredients in it, and it comes in at $3. Another great find were these bamboo wooden spoons coming in at $1. These are thicker, heavier, way nicer than the wooden spoons you get at Dollar Tree. I'm buying them for crafting, but I would say they were good enough quality to use for your kitchen as well. They do carry baking trays just like Dollar Tree, but they are better quality and they are higher priced. Here's a side-by-side comparison of 3 wooden spoons, which you can buy at the Dollar Tree. It comes in at $2.50 here, so the Dollar Tree is a better deal for that if you're using it just for crafting. They also have skewers there for $1, and here's a great deal. They have these designer type clothes pegs, so if you do crafts and you want to hang them up with clothes pegs, those are all stained and looking real fancy for $1. I thought that was a great deal. This is a smaller Dollar General, so I didn't see any amazing wood crafting items like the Crafter Square has, but there is some hemp cord there for $1. There was also assorted dowels for $1, so if you don't want to buy all the same size, that's handy. And it looks like they sell a whole collection of glitter there for $1. Now here's something kind of neat, which I didn't expect. You can pick up a comfortable lounge around the house everyday bra for $5 there. They have a whole collection of Elmer's glue as well, which is kind of neat, and I think that price is definitely competitive. I'm a big fan of glue sticks, so here are the prices for the glue sticks. They're selling 3 for $1. When the Dollar Tree is rocking it, you could sometimes find a package of 8 for $1.25, so that would be a better deal, but they do carry the brand name one in a package of 5 for $3. Here's some silver tacks. Those come in very handy for my DIY crafts that are rustic, and they can imitate fake nails. So I was really happy to find them because those are typically hard for me to find. And who doesn't need a pencil sharpener? These come in black, blue, and red. I ended up grabbing a blue one because I do use pencils for tracing and I often need to sharpen them. So I thought for $1, why not? This is also a good deal because I just saw this in Rite Aid the other day for closer to... And here it looks like you can get 2 rulers for the price of 1 for $1. Now this is a new plastic bowl to me. I've never seen this at my Dollar Trees, and I don't know if all of you who are watching have seen my DIY video with planter hacks, but I did an imitation dupe of hammered copper with a long process using spackling. Anyway, this bowl already had the little pits, and if you just spray it with the copper spray, you could get a very similar look, and it would be super simple and look super high-end in my opinion. They also have these plastic bowls, which again, I have not seen at the Dollar Tree. I was impressed enough with the different plastic goods at the Dollar General that I ended up grabbing a whole bunch of them because I've got some really fun DIYs to show you how you can turn these inexpensive, cheap plastic goods into high-end looking home decor. And so many of us are looking for pretty napkins on the cheap that we can decoupage with because they always make such great coverings for your crafts. They did have a couple really good ones. They had the striped ones, which I thought were nice, and a marbled one, which I also thought was worth picking up. Look at that one for like a patriotic DIY. Definitely worth it for $1. And they had some really pretty gel nail polish. I loved this color. I am so taking this one. They've got some neat cosmetic brushes for $1, which also come in handy for crafting sometimes, and I personally have never seen Sally Hansen as cheap as $3.25 before. So just like the Dollar Tree, they have the same cleaning products, but they have a very large vinegar one for $1 and the Awesome cleaner for $1, which again is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. In fact, I noticed their entire cleaning aisle is pretty much price point at $1, which definitely beats the Dollar Tree. All in all, I was impressed with Dollar General. They definitely have some steals. I checked out and then saw wooden stakes on my way out right there. I went back and bought 20 of those because those are an awesome steal. Grab those. Anyway, that's it for today with the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And until the next one, bye for now.